Hello and welcome to Miss Dixon's Kitchen. Today we're going to be conquering one of my favorites, tuna salad. Not only am I going to show you how to make the best ever tuna salad in the universe, we're also going to make tuna salad melts. What? Get ready. For this recipe, you're going to need 2 cans of white albacore tuna drained. You're going to need a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 lemon wedge, 1 tablespoon of dill pickle relish, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1½ tablespoon of either sweet onion or pickled red onions, 1½ tablespoon of diced red bell pepper or diced green olives, 4½ tablespoons of mayo, and 3 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. For this first step, we're going to add our tuna, and then we're going to add our lemon juice, our salt and pepper, and our sugar. The goal here is equal distribution of flavor. We want to stir this really well and get every single piece of tuna covered with all of these different flavors. Next we add dill pickle relish. I like to use dill relish because I like to be able to control my sweetness. Next, add your pickled onions and your red pepper. I'm going to put a link below for pickled red onions because I use them in about everything. That's an exaggeration, but seriously, they're going on a lot of stuff. Next, you're going to add a good quality Dijon mustard and mayonnaise. My favorite Dijon mustard is from Germany. It's a medium hot mustard called Lowenschnef? I don't know how to pronounce it. Add your Parmesan cheese and mix it all together. We're going to give it a good taste and season it with salt and pepper. Stir it up and taste it again. Seriously, you've got to taste your food. If you don't taste it, then you don't know how it's going to taste. Let's turn this tuna salad into tuna salad melts. What you're going to do is start out with a good whole grain bread. You're going to toast it in the toaster until it's brown around the edges. Top it with your cold tuna salad. Broil it for a couple minutes until the bread starts to really get brown. Then you're going to top it with sharp cheddar cheese. Then you're going to broil it until it's melted and bubbly and starting to brown on the top. Everything will be crispy and crunchy and just the bomb. It's so good. Your friends are gonna love it. Your family's gonna love it. You can't go wrong with this stuff. You gotta try it. Here's a lower carb option. You can just do tortilla chips or stuff some of those little red peppers with tuna salad and eat it that way. Make little boats. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for letting me show you a fresh, fun, easy way to make tuna salad unique and new. And I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you like it. Ciao, friends.